Welcome to CoderZ. After logging in, the first thing that you will see is the Learning Center. It's in the Learning Center you can find your available courses. These are known as course cards. You can click a card to access your desired course. Note that each course card has a link to a teacher's guide. More on these guides later. Let's take a look at a course now. CoderZ simplifies STEM learning by breaking down each course into digestible packs, allowing students to focus on specific topics. You can see how many activities there are in each pack here, while this progress bar indicates the percentage of the pack that has been completed. Each pack is made up of activities. Activities include missions or integrated lesson plans. Students progress through the missions at their own pace, allowing them to be more engaged in their learning experience. These icons show if an item has been completed. Want to navigate between courses? The breadcrumbs and drop-down menu at the top let you move to other packs and courses. Curious about the different CoderZ courses? Let's explore them now. The new lightweight CoderZ adventure with LEGO Education Spike Prime empowers teachers to teach their students the basics of coding, robotics, and math. The dynamic LEGO Spike robot is featured in this course. No prior knowledge is needed. The Cyber Robotics 101 course with the LEGO EV3 robot teaches the basics of robotics and coding. It includes 15 packs with over 70 activities, covering multiple topics such as navigation, loops, obstacle avoidance, color detection, object manipulation, and more. Cyber Robotics 102 continues where 101 left off. The course features Ruby, a smart and versatile mobile robot, and includes gamified missions in a realistic physical environment that includes ramps, bridges, and enhanced physics such as gravity, acceleration, and deceleration that affect the robot's performance. Students learn mechanics, physics, navigation, control, and sensors, while being introduced to programming concepts such as variables, conditional logic, loops, and more. Python Gym is the course that teaches Python text-based coding within the CoderZ online robotics environment. Practice your Python coding skills on a simulated robot in a physically accurate setting, while exploring concepts in computer science, engineering, physics, and mathematics. Going to be teaching a course soon? Take some time to explore the course's teacher's guide and get a more in-depth view of the curriculum. We hope to see you soon in one or all of these courses.